Good morning, students, and welcome to my online class. I am Bhairavi Desai from Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, and my school name is New Mahim English Upper Primary Municipal School. Our administrative officer is Srimati Snehlata Dumbre. Nodal beat officer is Mr. Sharat Kurade. Nodal headmistress is Mrs. Pushpam Mary Paul. Assistant Nodal Headmistress is Mrs. Manpriti Kaur. Now, students, let's begin the session with good thought. Now, as you know more, you grow more. The meaning of good thought is when you know better, you will get more knowledge, and with more knowledge, you will progress more. So, we should try to get more and more knowledge every day. Now, students, which map can you see? Anybody? This is
Mumbai cities.
this is Maharashtra state in which we live. Okay? This is Maharashtra state.
Cities.
Okay? Now see the next picture. Which country you can see?
India.
India
Very good.
state and
Very
union
good. Very
territory.
good. This is our
India
own proud nation, India. Very good. Now see the next
states
one.
and union
What you can see?
territories. South
Very good.
America,
Very good.
Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, Antarctica.
Asia
Very
and
good.
Africa.
Okay, these are seven continents with oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Ocean, and Indian Ocean, and seven continents. This all makes our Earth, our whole world. So, all we live on the Earth, and Earth is a planet. So, today we are going to learn more about our planet Earth and our solar system.
Energy.
Understood? Now let's begin. What can you see in the night sky?
Star.
Very good. These are stars. So, what are stars? Stars are the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Stars have their own light. Those stars, they twinkle at night. Okay, they are called stars. Now, which picture can you see here?
Sun.
Sun. Very good.
The
This is
sun.
our sun. What is the sun? The sun is a star. It is
It is
closer
a
to
star.
us
It is
than
close
any
to
of
us.
the stars. Hence, it appears big and brilliant. In its bright light during the day, we cannot see other stars. Students, in space, there are so many stars, but only sun is closer to us. So we can see it. And it's in bright light during the daytime, we cannot see other stars. At night, the sun is not there. So we can see many stars in the sky. Okay. Now we'll learn about planets. What are planets? The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Planets do not have light of their own. They get light from the stars. Planets revolve around the star as they rotate around themselves. See, there is one difference between planet and star. Stars twinkles at night and planets do not twinkle. Okay? Now these are planets of the solar system. Can anyone read the name? These are our 8 planets. Try to read. Read the name. Yes, yes. Mercury.
Mercury.
Yes. Next, it's Venus.
Venus. Earth.
Then, very good. Then,
Mars.
very good. Mars, Jupiter,
Jupiter,
then Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
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 Neptune.
and Neptune. Very good.
and Neptune.
Very good. These are 8 planets. Now, the solar system. Our Earth is a planet. It gets its light from the sun. It moves around the sun. Its movement around the sun is called the revolution of the Earth. Besides this Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. Revolve matlab they are moving around the sun. And they are, just now we saw the pictures of them. They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, see this way. In this way, these planets revolves. They move around the sun.
Sun.
Okay. See, they all have their particular path, and this path is called as orbit. Now, see, this is the e- every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. This path is known as that planet's orbit. The sun, which is a star, and the planets that revolves around it are together called the solar system. Besides the planets, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Now, which are these heavenly bodies that we'll see? Other heavenly bodies in the solar system. First one is satellite. Some heavenly bodies revolve around planets. These are called satellites. Satellites too get their light from the sun. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence, it is called a satellite of the earth. This is the moon, which we see at night. Okay. Now, other heavenly bodies in the sky are dwarf planet. Dwarf means smaller one. Okay. These are bigger planets, so they are considered as planets. And dwarf means smaller one. There are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolve around the sun. They are called dwarf planets. Of this, the most well known is Pluto. Dwarf planet revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. This may be the new word for you all. Can anyone read again about dwarf planets? Students, can anyone read this which I read now?
There,
There are
there are
There
some
are some smaller
small,
smaller
smaller
heavenly bodies.
heavenly bodies
revolve
that
around the sun. They are called dwarf
around
Dwarf
the
planets.
planets. Very
earth.
It is
good.
the most well-known
Then
Pluto.
are
Dwarf planets
fallen
revolve independently around the sun. They
without
have an orbit of their own.
Very
planet
good.
of theirs. This the most will
Well known
well known is
is Pluto.
cloud
Pluto.
Pluto.
Pluto. Beta Pluto. Read it as Pluto. It is the name of this dwarf planet.
Pluto.
Okay. Go on. Dwarf planets
Revolve
revolve, yes, independently
independently around
around
the sun.
sun. Very good.
These
They
have
have an
an
orbit of
an orbit on their
own.
own.
Very good. Now see the picture of Pluto. This is Pluto. It is well known dwarf planet. Okay. Now comes asteroids. Now what are asteroids? Now I'm reading and any one of you will read it again. Okay. So pay attention. Between the planets Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called asteroids. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Please, anyone repeat it? Yes, students.
Between the
Planets
planet Mars
and
and
Jupiter,
Jupiter, there is a bun
band of
And
red
there
on
is a band of
num-
numerous
numerous
small heavenly bodies. They are called
small
astronauts. Astronauts also
heavy
revolve around the sun.
heavenly bodies.
heavenly bodies. These are
They are called
they are called
asteroids.
asteroids.
Very good.
Asteroid
Also
also revolve
revolve
around
around.
the sun.
Very good. Okay. Now see the picture of asteroid. These are between Mars and Jupiter. Okay.
Jupiter.
These are between Mars and
Jupiter.
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 Now this is our solar system. Can you see the sun? Everybody?
Solar.
After sun, which one is the first planet?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Sun.
After sun, which
Mercury.
one is the
Mercury.
Mercury? Very good. The next one,
Venus.
Venus. Next
Venus.
is next
Earth.
is
Earth.
our Earth.
Earth.
Very good. Our Mother
Mars.
Earth.
Mars.
Mars. Then now can you see the asteroids? It is
Jupiter.
between Mars and Jupiter. Can you see asteroids? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. After Mars, which planet is there?
Jupiter.
Very good. Jupiter is there. After Jupiter,
Saturn.
Saturn. Fantastic. Then
Uranus.
Uranus. Then
Neptune.
Neptune. Okay, very good. These are 8 planets. Okay. And last one is there that is shown as
Pluto.
dwarf planet. It is
Pluto.
known as Pluto. Very good. Very good, students. Okay. The planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids are all parts of the solar system. So, our solar system is made up of all these subjects: planets, satellites, dwarf planets, and asteroids. Okay, so now we'll learn the concept of gravity. What is gravity? Now, students, what can you see in this picture?
Misty. An apple.
An apple. What apple is doing here?
Gravity.
No. What am I asking you? An apple is there. Okay. So what is happening with apple? The apple is falling down from the tree, right? And in second picture,
Rain.
okay, rain. Rain is falling down on the earth. Okay. So these are the examples. But everyday life, we see that everything is dropped. Whatever is dropped, it will fall down. Okay, it
Down.
will fall down. That is
Down.
called as gravity. All heavenly bodies exert a force of attraction or a pull on one another. This force is called the force of gravity. I hope
Yes.
you understood what is gravity. Okay, this everything falls down. If I drop a pen also from my hand, it will fall down.
Down.
If I throw ball in the air, upward direction, then also somewhere it will stop and again it will fall down. This is due to gravity. So, however, to send some object from the earth into space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. And for this, rocket technology or space launch technology is used. for that purpose. Now, what can you see, children, in the picture?
Rocket.
Rocket. Which rockets are this? Which you burn in Diwali, right? They are,
Diwali.
yes,
Diwali.
yes. Diwali firecracker. In that we burn this type of rocket. So
Rocket.
this is the very simple example. One of the Diwali firecracker is called a rocket. It is packed with explosive substance. Explosive matlab the easily who can blast. The explosives burn rapidly and produce a lot of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain direction at a great speed. Okay, due to explosion, this rocket will move with a great speed. And same thing it is used for rocket science. What can you see in this picture?
Rocket.
It's a rocket. It is a rocket which is
Rocket.
used to send spacecraft into the space. I hope
Space.
everybody has seen Mission Mangal film.
Mangal.
Mission Mangal. Akshay Kumar was hero of that film, right? In that film, they had shown this rocket technology very in such a very good way. So you all must be knowing how these spacecrafts are sent into the space. Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burned in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into space. And sometimes in this mission, scientists also travel in the spacecraft with special
In some
training
mission center,
and with
where
special
space
space
they are
suits they have to wear, and they are called astronauts.
They are
So who are astronauts? Who will read out this?
astronauts.
Anyone? Please read. Who are astronauts? In some missions. Anyone? Please
Some,
read this.
in some missions, scientists
Scientists.
also travel in the spacecraft. They are called astronauts.
Very good. Very good. Now, anybody knows who are astronauts? Name of well-known astronauts? Do you know anybody? Those who are astronauts, astronauts, or foreign astronaut, anyone will do.
Eastern.
Astronauts are human being. You have to name human beings' name. Those who have traveled. Okay, I am showing you. These are well-known astronauts. Anyone read out the names, please?
Rakesh
One
Sharma.
is
Rakesh Sharma,
very good.
Sunita
Williams.
Williams, Kalpana Chawla.
Very good. Very good. This Rakesh Sharma is our Indian astronaut. He was Indian astronaut. And Sunita Williams and Kalpana Chawla, they are American citizens, but their origin is Indian. Okay, these are very famous and well-known astronauts in our India and internationally also. They have traveled to space with the spaceships. Okay, you should remember. Can anyone repeat the names of astronauts once again?
Rakesh Sharma,
Very
Sunita
good.
Williams, Kalpana Chawla.
Chawla. Very good. Now we'll see about our India's space mission. First India's space mission was Chandrayaan 1. This is the picture of Chandrayaan 1. Who will read this? What did we do?
On 22 October 2008,
Hmm. The Indian Space
The Indian Space Research Organization.
Organization, that is called, short form of it is ISRO, 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 that is Indian Space Research Organization.
Yes.
Hmm.
Launch a spacecraft to the moon. The
Very good.
mission is known as
Known as
Chandrayaan 1.
1. Very good, beta. This mission is known as Chandrayaan 1. And when it was launched? On 22nd October 2008.
8.
Okay. Oh,
Yes.
and this one is the second mission, that is called as Mission Mangalyaan.
Mangalyaan.
Tell, yes. Who will read this?
Mangalyaan is another important India space
Indian.
mission.
Okay, very good.
It is known as M.O.M
Very good.
or Mars
Mars Orbit.
mission. It was launched on 5 November 2013. It got established in an orbit around the planet Mars on 24 September 2014. ISRO achieved this feat in
Fit.
its first attempt. Both these missions are unmanned.
Unmanned.
E. There were no people on board this spacecraft.
Spacecraft.
Objective of the mission is a deeper study of the moon and Mars.
This mission Mangalyaan was another important space mission, and it is known as MOM. MON. Then full form of it is Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th November 2013. It got established in an orbit around the planet Mars on 24th September 2014. See, it took almost 9 months, 9 to 10 months to establish an orbit around the planet Mars. So this much time it took to travel from Earth to Mars. ISRO achieved this feat in its first attempt. Both these missions are unmanned. Unmanned matlab no scientists were travel in this spacecraft. That is, there were no people on board this spacecraft. Only machine work, computer work was there. The objective of this mission is the deeper study of the moon and the
Mars.
Mars. Okay.
Yes.
Now, now we'll see what we have learned. Who will say 8 planets of the solar system first? Just recall your memory and tell me.
I
First
have
planet was, no, don't read this. I just want to recall our 8 planet. Which was the first planet from the sun?
Mercury.
Mercury. Then,
Uh,
very good. Then,
Mercury.
very good.
Venus.
Very good. Venus. Then,
Earth.
very good. Earth. Then,
Jupiter.
Mars. After Earth,
Mars.
there is Mars. After Mars, there is Jupiter. Then,
Yes.
after Jupiter,
Jupiter
yes,
and
Saturn.
Saturn.
Then, Uranus.
Uranus.
Then, last one,
Last one. Yeah.
Neptune.
Neptune.
Right?
Yes.
Bas, 8 planets. And last one is Pluto, was the dwarf planet. So from this, I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay.
Okay.
Read the first question. Read the instructions first.
I have living world on me.
Okay, now with this you have to guess. You have to tell me which planet it is. Which planet it is having living
I
world?
am the nearest star to the
Earth.
earth. Moon.
Moon. Earth.
Earth
Then
is a
I am
planet,
the further planet from the
right?
sun.
The
I am
first answer
yes.
was right. I have living world on me. So answer is
Earth.
Earth.
mm,
Very good. Now read the second one.
I am the nearest star to the earth.
Very good. Nearest star is asked. Huh? Think and answer. Come on.
yes. I am the nearest star to the earth.
Hmm.
Moon.
Moon is satellite, beta. Moon is not star. Which is the nearest star that gives us heat and energy?
Oh,
Um,
sun.
Yes, very good. It is the nearest star to the earth, the sun. Answer is the
Oh,
sun. That's why it is visible, na?
yes.
Okay, very good. We'll move on to the third one.
I am the furthest,
Furthest.
and
furthest
furthest
planet
planet from
from
the
the
sun.
sun.
Okay, furthest planets matlab very far from the sun. Which one is that planet?
Um,
Come on, think fast. Which one is the last planet of the solar system?
Pluto.
Pluto
Pluto,
is,
Neptune.
ah,
Pluto,
yes,
Neptune.
very good, very good. Neptune.
Neptune.
Neptune is the furthest planet from the sun.
Sun.
Okay, now read the next one.
I am
I
the
am
nearest
the nearest
planet from the
planet from
sun.
the sun.
Mercury.
Very good. Mercury. Fantastic. Now the last one.
I am the dwarf
I am the
Pluto.
Dwarf
Pluto. Yes,
planet.
here the name Pluto will come.
Dwarf. Pluto.
Very good, very good. Fantastic. You are very good children. Now, again, I'm asking you, who will say the all eight planet of the sun,
Hmm.
starting from first?
Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Venus, Earth.
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Fantastic. And which one is our dwarf planet?
Pluto.
Pluto. And which
Pluto.
one? Very good. And which one were two space missions of India?
Yeah, Earth.
Space missions, beta.
Space mission.
Rakesh Sharma,
They were
Chawla,
astronauts. Space mission.
Rakesh Sharma.
Beta, space mission name. One first one was Chandrayaan.
Oh, yes, teacher.
Yes, yes.
Chandrayaan, Mission
And
Mangal.
Mission Mangal. Very good. And which astronauts we saw pictures today?
Kalpana Chawla, Rakesh Sharma,
Kalpana Chawla and
Yes.
Ra-
Rakesh.
Very Rakesh Sharma. And third one was Sunita Williams.
Yes, teacher.
Right? Sunita Williams.
Santa.
Say three all together. Who can say? First one, Rakesh Sharma.
Rakesh Sharma.
Second,
Kalpana Chawla.
yes, very good. Third one,
Kal-
Sunita Williams.
Sunita Williams.
Hmm. Once again, first one,
First,
Rakesh
Rakesh
Sharma,
Sharma,
second,
Sunita Williams,
yes,
Kalpana Chawla, Sunita
Kalpana.
Kalpana
Williams.
Chawla.
Very good, very good. So, this is homework for you. Can you read homework? Anyone, please?
Draw a neat and label diagram of solar system.
Yes, you have to draw a neat and labeled diagram of whole solar system. For that, you can take A4 size paper, plain paper, draw sun and all eight planets with dwarf planet Pluto, draw and color it and label. Don't forget to label. This is your homework. Draw it and then send it to me. Okay. Now, before leaving the session, I would like to tell you all, stay home, stay safe, and thank you very much, students, for attending my online class.